Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by preparing the device and acting fast. First, check iOS and free storage. Once done, back up to iCloud or Finder so you can restore if needed. Next, delete any existing movie box and reboot the iPhone to clear cached profile conflicts. While it restarts, open Settings and enable Trusted Profiles Readiness. You'll need to accept a profile when the new install prompts. This compact prep avoids common installation blockers and gets you ready for the reinstall step immediately. Now you'll perform the actual install and trust the developer profile. Download the app package from a known source or use an alternative app store. Once installed, do not open it yet. Go to Settings, General, then Device Management, find the profile tied to the app and tap Trust. This step authorizes the app to run. Make sure you confirm the trust dialog. Once trusted, return to the home screen and launch MovieBox. The app should open and begin its first run setup without sandbox permission errors. Finish by granting permissions the app requests so it can access media and notifications. This avoids playback and download issues. If MovieBox crashes or shows signing errors, reinstall the app and retrust the profile and clear any residual cache by restarting the device. As a targeted troubleshooting tip, toggle airplane mode on, wait 10 seconds, then off again to reset network sockets, then relaunch the app. If problems persist, try a different sideload source or update iOS, because expired profiles and network blocks are the most common causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.